Namaste, travelers. Welcome to another exciting journey through the heart of India. Today, we're hopping aboard the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri train, an iconic railway route that winds its way through the enchanting landscapes of West Bengal and into the foothills of the Himalayas. Join me as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this scenic train journey. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more amazing travel content. Introduction to Howrah and New Jalpaiguri. Our journey begins at Howrah Junction, one of India's busiest railway stations located in the bustling city of Kolkata. From here, we'll embark on an adventure that takes us to New Jalpaiguri, gateway to the picturesque hill stations of Darjeeling and Sikkim. Historical significance. Did you know? The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri railway route has a rich historical significance, dating back to the British colonial era when it was constructed to connect the plains of Bengal with the hill stations of the Himalayas. Today, it remains an essential lifeline for both passengers and freight transportation. Scenic highlights. Get ready to feast your eyes on some breathtaking scenery. As the train chugs away from Howrah Junction, passengers are treated to panoramic views of lush green fields, meandering rivers, and quaint villages dotting the countryside. It's a visual delight that unfolds with every passing mile. Engineering marvels. Marvel at the engineering marvels along the way. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route features impressive viaducts, tunnels, and bridges that traverse challenging terrain, including the iconic Mahananda Bridge over the Mahananda River. These feats of engineering make the journey both thrilling and unforgettable. Cultural encounters. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of West Bengal. As we pass through towns and cities along the route, passengers have the opportunity to interact with locals, sample delicious Bengali cuisine, and witness traditional customs and festivals that showcase the vibrant heritage of the region. Wildlife spotting. Keep your eyes peeled for some fascinating wildlife sightings. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route passes through forested areas and wildlife sanctuaries, offering glimpses of exotic birds, deer, elephants, and even the elusive Royal Bengal tiger. It's a wildlife enthusiast's paradise. Hill station escapes. Escape to the hills. New Jalpaiguri serves as a gateway to the charming hill stations of Darjeeling and Sikkim, famous for their tea gardens, toy trains, and stunning mountain views. Whether you're a nature lover, adventure seeker, or simply seeking tranquility, these hill stations have something for everyone. Tea plantations. Savor the flavors of Darjeeling tea. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route passes through the lush tea plantations of Darjeeling, where travelers can witness the intricate process of tea cultivation and sample some of the finest teas in the world. It's a sensory journey through the heart of India's tea country. Cultural heritage sites. Explore historical landmarks. Along the route, passengers can visit ancient temples, colonial-era buildings, and UNESCO World Heritage Sites that offer insights into the rich history and cultural heritage of West Bengal. From the iconic Victoria Memorial in Kolkata to the sacred Mahakal Temple in Darjeeling, there's no shortage of cultural treasures to discover. Toy Train Connection. Discover the Toy Train Connection. New Jalpaiguri serves as the gateway to the famous Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also known as the Toy Train. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a charming journey through the hills, showcasing stunning views and iconic railway engineering. Silk Route Influence. Uncover Silk Route influence. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route traces its history back to the ancient Silk Route, which connected India with Central Asia and beyond. Today, remnants of this historic trade route can still be seen along the journey, reflecting centuries of cultural exchange and commerce. Strategic importance. Learn about strategic importance. The railway line from Howrah to New Jalpaiguri holds strategic significance due to its proximity to India's borders with Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. It serves as a crucial transportation link for both civilian and military purposes. Himalayan foothills. Admire the Himalayan foothills. As the train approaches New Jalpaiguri, passengers are greeted by majestic views of the Himalayan foothills, offering a tantalizing glimpse of the towering peaks that lie beyond. It's a breathtaking finale to an unforgettable journey. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Experience the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route connects with the iconic Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a narrow-gauge railway famous for its scenic beauty and historic steam locomotives. Travelers can ride the toy train and marvel at the picturesque landscapes of Darjeeling. Iconic landmarks. Marvel at iconic landmarks. From the historic Howrah Bridge in Kolkata to the scenic Tiger Hill in Darjeeling, the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route is dotted with iconic landmarks that showcase the beauty and heritage of West Bengal. Each landmark tells a story of the region's rich history and cultural heritage. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway Heritage. Delve into DHR's heritage. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, often affectionately called the toy train, is not just a mode of transportation but also a living heritage. Its charming narrow-gauge tracks and vintage steam engines have been captivating travelers since the late 19th century. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore UNESCO recognition. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a part of the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route, holds the prestigious status of being a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition highlights its cultural and historical significance, ensuring its preservation for future generations. Ethereal sunrise views. Witness magical sunrise views. Darjeeling, accessible from New Jalpaiguri, is renowned for its spectacular sunrise views over the Himalayas. Visitors flock to vantage points like Tiger Hill to witness the ethereal sight of the sun casting its first rays on the snow-capped peaks. Floral richness. Marvel at floral richness. The Himalayan foothills around New Jalpaiguri boast incredible biodiversity, including a rich variety of flora. Travelers can spot rare orchids, rhododendrons, and other endemic plant species along the route, adding to the scenic beauty of the journey. Spiritual retreats. Seek spiritual retreats. West Bengal is dotted with spiritual centers and monasteries that offer solace and serenity to travelers. From the iconic Dakshineswar Kali temple near Kolkata to the tranquil monasteries of Darjeeling and Sikkim, the journey from Howrah to New Jalpaiguri is a spiritual odyssey. Culinary delights. Indulge in culinary delights. West Bengal's cuisine is a gastronomic delight, known for its diverse flavors and aromatic spices. Travelers can savor mouth-watering dishes like fish curry, momos, and sandesh, experiencing the rich culinary heritage of the region. Vibrant markets. Explore vibrant markets. From bustling bazaars in Kolkata to quaint markets in Darjeeling, the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route offers ample opportunities for shopping and souvenir hunting. Travelers can browse through handicrafts, textiles, and local specialties, immersing themselves in the vibrant street life of West Bengal. Ecotourism opportunities. Embrace ecotourism opportunities. The region surrounding New Jalpaiguri is a haven for eco-tourists, with numerous initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable tourism and conservation efforts. Travelers can engage in activities like birdwatching, nature walks, and eco-friendly stays, contributing to the preservation of the area's natural beauty. Literary heritage. Explore literary heritage. West Bengal has a rich literary tradition, with Kolkata often referred to as the City of Joy and the cultural capital of India. The journey from Howrah to New Jalpaiguri takes travelers through landscapes that have inspired renowned authors and poets, adding a literary dimension to the experience. Tribal culture. Immerse in tribal culture. The region surrounding New Jalpaiguri is home to several indigenous tribal communities, each with its own unique customs, traditions, and art forms. Travelers can engage with tribal communities, learn about their way of life, and support initiatives aimed at preserving their cultural heritage. Adventure sports. Embark on adventure sports. The Himalayan foothills offer a plethora of adventure activities for thrill seekers. From trekking and river rafting to paragliding and mountain biking, there's no shortage of adrenaline-pumping experiences to be had along the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route. Silk industry. Learn about the silk industry. West Bengal is renowned for its silk production, with Murshidabad and Malda districts being major silk-producing regions. Travelers can visit silk weaving centers, learn about the silk-making process, and purchase exquisite silk products as souvenirs of their journey. Film locations. Discover film locations. West Bengal's picturesque landscapes and historical landmarks have served as backdrops for numerous Bollywood and Tollywood films. Travelers can visit iconic filming locations and relive scenes from their favorite movies, adding a touch of cinematic magic to their journey. Architectural marvels. Marvel at architectural marvels. West Bengal is home to a rich array of architectural styles, from ancient temples and palaces to colonial-era buildings and modern skyscrapers. The journey from Howrah to New Jalpaiguri offers glimpses of these architectural wonders, each with its own unique story to tell. Rural life. Experience rural life. The Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route takes travelers through picturesque rural landscapes, where they can witness traditional farming practices, interact with local villagers, and gain insights into the rhythms of rural life in West Bengal. It's an opportunity to slow down, connect with nature, and appreciate the simple joys of countryside living. Botanical Gardens. Explore botanical gardens. West Bengal is home to several botanical gardens that showcase the region's rich biodiversity. Visitors can stroll through lush greenery, admire exotic plant species, and learn about conservation efforts aimed at protecting the state's natural heritage. River Rafting Adventures. Brave river rafting adventures. The Teesta River, near New Jalpaiguri, offers thrilling whitewater rafting experiences for adrenaline junkies. Travelers can navigate through rapids of varying difficulty levels while enjoying stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Folk music and dance. Dance to folk music beats. West Bengal's vibrant folk music and dance traditions come alive along the Howrah to New Jalpaiguri route. Travelers can experience colorful performances featuring traditional instruments, rhythmic dances, and spirited songs that celebrate the state's cultural heritage. Fruit orchards. Delight in fruit orchards. The foothills of the Himalayas are dotted with lush fruit orchards that produce a variety of delectable fruits, including oranges, mangoes, and guavas. Travelers can visit these orchards, pick fresh fruits, and indulge in farm-to-table experiences that tantalize the taste buds. Historic battlefields. Reflect on historic battlefields. West Bengal's landscape is steeped in history, with numerous battlefields that bear witness to significant events from the past. Travelers can visit sites like Plassey and Panipat, where pivotal battles shaped the course of Indian history. Artisanal pottery. Appreciate artisanal pottery. West Bengal has a rich tradition of pottery making, with skilled artisans creating beautiful terracotta and clay artworks. Travelers can visit pottery villages, witness pottery making demonstrations, and even try their hand at crafting their own pottery masterpieces. And there you have it, an unforgettable journey from Howrah to New Jalpaiguri, filled with unknown facts and unforgettable experiences. Until next time, happy travels.